In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the view shop on Instagram. So basically, before I start this video, I want to say please make sure you watch the video to the end to ensure you don't miss out any steps, because if you do, it might not work. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Instagram like I have done. Once you've logged in, you need to open up the app, and then you need to go up to the top. This little bit that says edit profile here, and you need to go switch to professional account. Press continue, and it's going to ask what describes you best. So figure out what is the best description for you. So I'm going to put video creator. You can display it on profile if you would like to, or you don't have to. Now for you, you're probably something like shopping and retail, which you can put in there. So tap that, and it's going to ask you a business or creator. Business or creator, I'm going to say that I am a creator. Hit next and hit OK. Now for you, you can put business. I'm going to put not now, and it's going to ask me all these different things. I'm just going to close that because I don't care about that. So now the professional dashboard is now available, and here you can add like tons of different things in here. You can add a verified badge, you can add WhatsApp business, you can add tons of things like that. Now from here, for you to be able to get the actual view shop options, you're going to need to get enabled by Instagram. So when you're going and setting this up, you need to go to settings, you need to turn yourself into a business, and you need to tap shopping. So I'll show you this. Settings. Yours would say business here, you click on that, and you click shopping. Now once you're approved for this, then you can go to the shopping section and you can tap continue, and then you can select a catalog to connect to your professional account. Once you've done that, you can hit done, and it's going to give you the option to view shop. So that's basically how you do it. So to sum it up, you need to turn yourself into a business account. You need to apply for it in the business section, which will be here. And then once that's ready, you can connect to catalog and sell. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.